Hi friends, welcome back to once again. Today we will learn how to make gradient outline to text in PowerPoint. So let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then we want to make gradient outline text. Go to the new slide option, then choose blank. Then go to the insert menu and click the word art option. Then choose any word art. Then write anything on the word art. Then select the text and go back the home menu. Then increase the font size to see the text better. Then select the text box and go to the shape format menu. Then go to the format text effects or text box. Then go to the text field. Then open the text outline. Then choose the gradient line. Then apply the gradient color. Select the color pen and go to the color option. Then apply gradient color. Then increase the width. Then close the window. Now we can see we make a gradient text outline text very easily. I hope you understand this process and enjoying the video very much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and thanks for watching the video.